Michelle's Topsy-Turvy recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make a new recipe that is Parval Bharva recipe. So I am going to show you what I am going to do. I have taken the parval, you can see this way I have taken out all the seeds and all and kept it here. You can see here the masalas which I am going to use. This is ginger, garlic, jeera, green chilies, some mustard and dhania. All this I am going to make into a paste, and this is postu dana. This also I will put in the masala and make it into a paste. I hope you all will like the recipe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, to make the Bharva Parval recipe, I am going to make the masala for it. So I have put some mustard oil, once this turns hot, I have chopped up the onions very fine, you can see, for the stuffing of the parval. So I put in the onions. I will let the onions fry. Friends, you can see the onions are turned golden brown. Now I will use some of this masala paste which I have made, at least 1 spoon. Put some turmeric powder. I will use little water, otherwise the masala will get burnt. Now the stuffing from the parval which I have taken out, the seeds, this I will put in the masala. Put some salt. I will fry this a bit. Friends, I have fried up the masala, the stuffing. I have chopped up 1 tomato. This also I will put in. This also I will fry. All this I will put in the parval, in the stuffing of the parval. Friends, the parval stuffing is ready. Now I will take this out in 1 small container and let it turn cold little bit. So I am taking it out in this bowl. Little bit I will let it turn cold. Then I will do the stuffing of the parval. Friends, this is how I will stuff the parval. This way I will do the stuffing of the parval. Friends, I have done the stuffing of the parval. You can see it's all filled up with the masala, with the stuffing which I made. Now I am going to fry all this. Friends, now I am going to fry the parval stuffing. So I am going to fry it in the mustard oil. For this, I am going to use mustard oil here. So I have put mustard oil. So first of all, I will fry this when the oil turns hot. Friends, now I will fry this. The oil is turned hot. little I fried up the stuffing. Now I am taking it out. Friends, in the same oil I will make the curry. Put in the onions. Put 2 bay leaves. Put in the masala. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. And let the masala turn brown. Friends, I have chopped up 2 tomatoes. This also I am putting. Put in the salt. Friends, now I will put in little bit water, not much. Now I will put in the stuffed parval. I will let this cook for a while. Cover it up. Friends, Bharva Parval recipe is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.